going on, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have the Caddx Vista kit. And I just recently got this thing in, and we're going to be bringing this to the bench. We're going to kind of go over all the text and the specs of it, and then I'm going to tear it all apart and see exactly what makes this thing tick. So let's go ahead and get to the bench and get on with the video. All right, so what you get in the Caddx Vista kit is the Caddx Vista with the camera. You get one antenna, and you get some silicone wire, and then some instructions. So what's so different about this versus the DJI air unit? Well, the major thing is, right off the bat, you see it's super light and super small. This can go onto a 2020 stack. It'd be a little bigger, but these is what these screw holes right there line up to. And then we also don't have an SD card slot, so we can't record HD video, which might turn some people off, especially if you want to put this on like a 5-inch quad and not use a GoPro. But besides those things, it is exactly the same as the air unit with video quality and everything when you're flying it around. This does go up to a 6S voltage opposed to the DJI air unit, which only goes up to 4S voltage, so you have to use a regulator. But let's go ahead and weigh it and see exactly how much less it weighs. And I'll put the weight of the DJI air unit here on the screen. So 23 grams is what it's telling me, so it's pretty light considering what it offers you. So yeah, let's go ahead and tear this thing apart and kind of see what it looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull off this camera, the camera thing first. You can get this off right here by doing it this way, but reinstalling it back on is kind of a pain in the butt. That's why if I'm going to take the whole thing apart, I might as well take this out last. But I'm going to show you guys. So, and that's a little cover also for the UFL, wherever that went, here on the side. So it's covered up. And then you just want to get in here again, and I'm going to get real careful and just pop those out. Kind of give it a little tug. And that comes apart like that. And then I'm just going to pop the ribbon cable off on this side. And that's that. So that's all done. Put those screws to the side. And then we got both halves. And this one's kind of popping off, but they should be stuck on pretty well. And we can take a look at this stuff. So this is this side, and this is the top plate. So this will be actually facing this way, so that'll be facing bottom. And then, see if we can pop this top off. Yep, this is blue goo. Or you just want to call it a like thermal paste, I guess. There's that. And I did, I'm going to shoot some shots here and show them here in a moment, but let's go ahead and pop off this side. These are pretty much just stuck on there. There's nothing really holding them on, except for this blue stuff. And there's that one, where the ribbon cables kind of went, and the camera. So I want to touch that stuff and make a mess. I wonder if anybody's had actually taken this stuff off and like changed it with actual CPU thermal paste, if it actually made any difference. I doubt it. There we go. Got that side off. Sorry for the blurry image. But what we're going to do is I'm going to put some pictures here on the screen. And you can kind of see what the components are with all this blue stuff wiped off. It does make a mess, so I didn't want to do it on actual video live. But you can see all these different components. I've actually looked these up on Amazon, not Amazon, on Google, of course. And I can't find anything really. I even put DJI, FPV, all these different little ones, and couldn't find much of anything. So It's pretty hush-hush, I guess, whatever they're doing here. But Caddx got it, and they licensed it out, so that's really cool. Not sure where I'm going to put this in, though. Not sure exactly what I'm going to be putting this exactly in, but I might go ahead and build it. So if you have any suggestions of what I should build on the channel, go ahead and drop a comment down below. But that's pretty much it for the teardown of the Caddx Vista. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.